It's been 6 weeks, and we're already seeing our main root and its true leaves. There we go. Welcome back to Seedlings, the beginner's guide to home grown vegetables. In today's episode, we'll be talking about growing oranges from just about any store-bought orange. Alright? The rule is, as long as it has seeds, we can plant it. Alright, let's take our orange and let's get those seeds. Okay, grab a sharp knife. We want to cut slightly off the center. There's our center. So in our center is where all our seeds, well, most our seeds are actually located. So cutting slightly off the center will ensure we do not harm any of our seeds. Okay, so grab your knife. Okay, be very gentle, ensure you do not cut yourself or harm yourself. Alright, and as you can see, there's already a few few seeds in this orange, okay? Little shades of brown there. And there's nothing on this side, so we want to start digging into our orange from this side. Okay, I'm going to clear up and just grab a clean cloth to wipe this off. Okay. So, here's our seed number 1, seed number 2, stubborn seed number 2. Okay, this doesn't look much like a really viable seed, and I explained to you why now, okay? So I'm not sure if you guys saw that, but it's not a viable seed because it's flat. The seeds we do want to select are supposed to be oval in shape, okay, because those will ensure our seeds germinate. Those that are flat are less likely to germinate, and we don't want to spend time planting those, okay. The next thing about our seeds is that citrus fruit actually have an outer coating that protects the very fragile seed on the inside. So we want to remove that fragile or that hard coating, we want to remove that hard coating to expose our seed to make it easier for our seed to be exposed, alright, and for germination to occur. Okay, so we'll just grab our seed. In this case, I only found 1, but you ensure that you take out 4 seeds to increase your chances of germination. Okay, grab your seed. If you want to wipe it off, you're more than welcome to wipe it off. Otherwise, just grab your seed, and at the pointy end of your seed, you start to cut. Okay, taking out this hard coating will definitely speed up the germination process. Okay, and as soon as you got that pointy tip to your seed, there goes my seed. As soon as you got that pointy tip to your seed, peeling off that hard coating will actually be so much easier. Okay, so just be patient. This is quite a tedious process, but it does get you your orange seed and that germination process to go a whole lot faster. Okay, so I'm just battling with my seed. I'm actually just going to wipe it down with some paper towel, so it is a bit slippery coming from our orange. Okay, so just be a little patient. There we go. Let me try it again now. Grab your knife, grab the sharp bits. So even if you do cut a bit off your seed, that is okay, because seeds do want to grow, okay? So they're not gonna, they're not gonna be spiteful or try to be revenge or, execute some revenge because you cut a bit of it off. No. Actually do want to grow against all odds. Okay, I've taken out the outer. Okay, there again you can't see, the seedling is actually quite small, so I've taken out the outer coating of the seed, and what remains actually is a very brown in color seed, very brown color, as opposed to that coating that was present before. Just going to clear the chopping board again. Okay, the next step is that we'll grab our paper towel, some spray, bottle, our container, and our seed. Drop your seed onto the paper towel, spray it down with some water, as water is needed for the germination process. Spray it down just like that, and then cover up your seeds. Okay, close it very nicely just to ensure your seeds don't fall out, and spray it again. Turn it over and spray it again. Okay, there's your seed. Make sure you do not overspray it, because you do not want, just folding it, sorry about that, because you do not want your seed to soak in water and just rot. Okay, grab your container, put your seed inside, and close it. Okay, we want to put this by the windowsill, but not, I repeat, not in direct sunlight. Okay, so put it by a windowsill, and in about 7 to 14 days, but of course this is a citrus fruit, so okay, at least after 14 days, you should have your seeds germinate. Okay, there's your seed right in the middle. Okay, I'm going to take out some of the seeds that I have planted using this paper towel method and show you. Okay, so just to know what you can expect, looking a little closely, you see the seed in the middle actually hasn't germinated. Okay, so there are 4 seeds in here, and one of them actually hasn't germinated. Okay, and it is also important to note that these were all planted at the same time, but they have germinated at different rates. Some after 14 weeks, some only after 14 days, and others only after 21 days. Okay, I'm going to remove the seeds right now and show you. It's a little stuck to the paper towel. I'll be very gentle. There we go. So you've got your true leaf right on top, and you will always get your main root trying to find its way downwards. It'll always grow downwards, and your true leaves grow upwards. There we go. I hope you guys can see. True leaves upwards, and your root will always grow downwards. So you know, for planting, you will always plant your root, which is white in color, below the soil, and your true leaves above the soil. Okay, to ensure it continues to grow. So that's how they look in the paper towel. Okay, so another part, or another key to this, is that you always want to make sure your paper towel stays damp. A damp paper towel will ensure good growth. Okay, also a warm room will ensure good growth. Although citrus fruits do produce fruit in winter, it is ironic that you would put it in a warm room. But this is needed. Warm temperatures are needed for germination. Okay? If you have any comments, suggestions, let's talk about it. If this is the first fruit you're planting, if you've done this before, mention it down in that comment section. Click that like button and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.